Hello, IEP KG3 students, International Education Program of Sarases Wited Bangbatong School. Hope you have a great day together with your mom and your dad. This is your teacher saying, Welcome to our math time. And I hope we're going to have fun learning today. But before we start, because your teacher misses you already, this heart is for you. Math is so fun to learn with, but let's going to count first with big numbers through singing. And I hope you're going to have fun singing this song. Are you ready?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000, 1,000,000, 10,000,000, 100,000,000, 1,000,000,000, 1,000,000,000, 10,000,000,000, 100,000,000,000, 1,000,000,000,000. Numbers, 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 numbers.
I know you enjoy singing about numbers. Let's proceed to Unit 15. Our lesson is about expanding numbers up to 100. But before that, we're going to learn first about our vocabulary. I allow you to get a paper and a pencil to write down our 6 vocabularies. Are you ready? Okay, so we will start with our first words. Once. Let's spell it together. O-N-E-S, once. Then I will give you a seconds to write it down. O-N-E-S, once. Are you done? So let's proceed to our next word. We have tense. Tense. Let's spell together. T-E-N-S. Tense. You can write it down. T-E-N-S. Tense. Wow, amazing. Let's proceed to our next word. We have expand. Expand. Let's spell together. E-X-P-A-N-D. Expand. Then I will give you time to write it too. E-X-P-A-N-D. Perfect. Our next word is number. Number. Let's spell it together. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. You can write N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. You're doing so great. And our next word is group. Group. Let's spell it together. G-R-O-U-P. Group. Now you can spell the word. G-R-O-U-P. Perfect. And our last word is separate. Separate. Let's spell it together. S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E. Separate. Now you can write it down. S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E. Separate. Perfect. Check your 6th word and then if you're done with it. Okay, let's start from the top. We will read it one more time. Once. Once. Say it again, please. Once. That's correct. Tense. Tense. Say it again, please. Tense. Expand. Expand. Say it again, please. Expand. Number. Number. Say it again, please. Number. Number. Good job. And next, group. Group. Say it again, please. Group. And the last word, separate. Separate. Say it again, please. Separate. Perfect. Now, let's say it one more time. Once, tense, expand, number, group, separate. Wow! If you're done writing too, then you did a great job. Before we're going to continue, I have this idea. that we're going to understand more about ones and tens. I know we studied this one before, but this one is like a review to us. Then this is my question for you. How many ones or tens are there? So I will give you some few examples, then it's like I'm gonna review for everyone. Our first example is 1, 1 is equal to 1 color pencil. And this three ones is equal to 1, 2, 3 color pencils. So therefore, 3 ones is equal to 3. It's the same thing when we say 5 ones is equal to 5, or 6 ones is equal to 6, or 9 ones is equal to 9. And how about if tens? Like this example, we have 110 is equal to 10 color pencils. In one class, we have a group of by 10 of color pencils. So therefore, 110 is equal to 10. How about 2? 2 tens. 2 tens is equal to, let's count by the group of 10 in every glass of color pencils. 10, 20. So therefore, 2 tens is equals to 20. Let's try a little bit bigger number. How about 7 tens? 7 tens is equal to, then we're going to count again by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So therefore, 7 tens is equal to 70 because every group of glass, we count it by 10 and there are 7 glasses. So each 7 glasses have 10. So 7 tens is equal to 70. I hope you got it for our little review. Let's try this one. When we look at the number 28, in this number has its own value. There's a number in ones place. There's a number in tens place. Let's take a closer look in its number to see its true value. Ones place is to the right always. The number in ones place always equal itself. The value is always like that. In number 28, number 8, the value is just that 8 is equal to itself. It's represented by 8 ones cubes. You see the green cubes? Okay, let's proceed. The next number is tens place. The number in tens place is always 10 times the value, the number shown. It's like counting by 10 the number you see. In our number 28, the 2 in tens place, we count the value by 10 in 2 times. So it's just like this. 10, 20. The value of 2 is 20. Another trick is, remember just to put 0 to the number. So in our tens, we have 2, and then we will put 0. So it's 20. 2 in 28 represent by the 2 tens blocks, which is 20. So therefore, 28 is equal to, can you give the answer? Yeah, that's correct. The answer is 2 tens and 8 ones. Can we say it one more time? 28 is equal to 2 tens and 8 ones. That's a great job. I know you understand. When we focused on studying about expanding numbers, it's easy to understand. So let's learn more through this video. Focused and enjoy!
Welcome to Kids Academy.
When we look at a number like 35, each digit in this number has its own value. There's a number in the ones place and a number in the tens place. Let's have a closer look at each number to see its true value. The ones place is furthest to the right. The number in the ones place always equals itself. In our number 35, the 5 is in the ones place. Its value is just that, 5. It is represented by the 5 ones cubes. The next place over is the tens place. The number in the tens place is always 10 times the value the number shown. It's like counting by tens to the number you see. In our number 35, the 3 is in the tens place. We can find its value by counting by tens 3 times. Let's try it. 10, 20, 30. The value of the 3 is 30. Another trick you can remember is to just put a 0 at the end of the number. The 3 in 35 is represented by the 3 tens blocks, which equals 30. In the number 26, the 6 is in the ones place and the 2 is in the tens place. The 6 is worth just 6, which is represented by 6 cubes. The 2 is worth 20 because it is in the tens place and is represented by the 2 long tens blocks. You can count by tens using the base 10 blocks or just count in your head. 10, 20. I'll leave you with a challenge. Can you tell the value of the digits in the number 52? What is the value of the 5? What is the value of the 2? I'll give you some time to think, but if you need more time, you can pause the video and answer when you're ready. Okay, here's the answer. The 2 is in the ones place, so it's just worth 2. The 5 is in the tens place, so we'll have to count by tens 5 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The value of the 5 is 50. Remember to look at the place the digit is in before you decide the value of that number. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. See you next time.
Subscribe to our channel.
I know you understand it very well already. Did you see this picture? What do you think this is all about? So it's our review time. So we're going to review and answer this one. I'm going to give an example for the box number 1. This box answer is 110 and 9 ones. Why? Because the ones, which in color pink blocks, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So therefore, it's 9 ones. And there is only 1 blocks by 10. So the answer is 110 and 9 ones. How about the next box? The next box is, can you give a guess? Oh, I heard it from you. So the answer is 110 and 4 ones. That's a good job. Then we're going to try the next box. What can you see there? Is there tens or only ones? Yeah, correct. It's only ones, but we're going to count how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is, can you say it again? Perfect. It's 7 ones. Let's try. How about this one? We're going to count first the ones and we're going to count the tens. So let's start from the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 ones. And how many tens? 1. So what is the answer? Amazing! You did it right. 110 and 8 ones. And let's try about the yellow blocks. I hear your answer already. You're so quick. And the answer is 9 ones. And the next one is very easy too. Can I give you a second? Hmm? 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 Perfect! The answer is 110 and 6 ones. You're very good, but let's see the remaining 3 boxes there. Let's try it first. Wow! Good job! If your answer is 110 and 7 ones, then you are correct. How about the other one? Can you count it by yourself? I give you a second to count it and give me the answer. Can you give the answer? Say it louder, please. Good job. The answer is 8 ones. And the last one. Did you see any ones there? Yeah, you are correct. There's no ones there. Only tens. So how many tens are there? 1, 2. So how are we going to say it? Correct. So 2 tens or 2 tens and 0 ones. Very good. That clap is for you. But we're going to read it one more time. Are you ready? 110 and 9 ones. Next, please. 110 and 4 ones. Next, please. 7 ones. Next, please. 110 and 8 ones. Next, please. 9 ones. Next, please. 110 and 6 ones. Next, please. 110 and 7 ones. Next, please. 8 ones. Wow, you're doing it so great. And how about the last one? Can you say it louder? Okay, 2 tens and 0 ones. Perfect, you're doing it so well. Because of that 4 stars is for you because you're doing a great job. Let's continue our review. I'm going to give you these 3 boxes that we're going to give a try. Are you ready? I know you are. I got these 3 glasses. Each has 10 color pencils. And each glasses has 10. And then I'm going to drop these 2 color pencils. My question is, can you give a try? How many 10s and how many 1s are there? Wow! Good job! The answer is 3 10s and 2 1s, and is equal to number 32. Let's go to the other box. We have this picture. How many 10s are there? We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups by 10. And we got this by 1s. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many 1s and how many 10s are there? Great job! So it's 5 10s and 4 1s. What number it is? It is 54. Then we're going to try our last box. Okay, we're going to count first the blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 9 blocks grouped by 10. And then we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many 1s and how many 10s are there? Yes, that's correct. It's 9 10s and 6 1s is equal to number 96. You're doing so well. That's a good work for you. Keep it up. This is your teacher saying bye-bye, but we're going to sing first. Thank you for being with me and learning. Goodbye, everyone. And hope to see you very soon. But don't turn it off because you're going to listen a Pllace value song. Goodbye.
Picking pairs, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all that fit inside the ones place value line. So I picked another pair and made a group of 10 to fit into a bag perfectly even. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I had to keep picking pairs of hunger I had to feed. So I picked another 10, and that led to one group of 100. The pair bumped me on the head, and I said, 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. I rode my bike 1 whole mile, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in a little while another mile made one group of 10. A little voice inside my head said, keep going, I know you can. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I never knew I had so many miles inside me. The end of my trip was coming up ahead. I rode 10 more miles and reached 100. Then that little voice inside my head said, 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. After the bell rang at 8 o'clock, I started playing with my base 10 blocks. I stacked up 9, and then one more made 10, and then 10 tens equaled 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Another 100 wouldn't fit in the 100 space. I had to write one group in the thousands place. Then I played the air bass. 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. 10 groups of 1,000 equal 10,000.
Goodbye, everyone. I hope you enjoy.
10,000
Take
make
care and
100,000.
gonna see you soon.